Hi guys, today I'm making the biggest slime ever. So, not literally the biggest slime ever. I'm just talking about the biggest slime that I ever made. That's what I'm talking about today. But right now, when we're walking over to the area, I went to school today, guys. I'm dragging. I'm gonna be trying to do my fastest intro. Or fastest intro ever. Ready, set, go. It's a back with another video. Let's get on with the video. That probably sucked, but let's get started with the video. Oh, wait, I forgot to get something to the phone. I'll be right back. I'm back. That was so close to falling in the toilet. Alright guys, I'm just gonna go down in my attic real quick. I'm walking back upstairs. Oh, my leg. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna rip out the stitches real quick. There we go. No, I'm just kidding. Let's get on with the video, guys. So first, I will be wasting all my glue. I'm gonna ask my mom to buy me more. Alright, let's get it. All crunchy, crispy. I will be doing a giveaway of this crusty glue. No, okay, this is probably really small. What am I doing? Why did I make so much glue yesterday? Or why did I make so much slime yesterday? My mom made me throw it away anyway. I don't know why. Oh, farting. Listen to that. By the way, guys, I'm doing this inside. So because yesterday, after I made that slime video, I made like a bunch more slime. That's why I can barely do any right here. I made a lot more slime, so now I'm barely left. And yesterday when I did it outside, there was wind everywhere, and my slime went flying, and it was dirty. And there was dirt all over it and stuff. And there's no more glue. That's great. That's great. Alright guys, you don't need this anymore. Alright. So now, when you have your glue in, I'm doing the same step as yesterday's video, guys. So you get the borax and water, put it in. Yeah. Should look weird like that. Then this time I'm using red food coloring. I've never used this one before. Dot. Oh guys, seriously, that looks like blood. That's the color of blood, how it looked when I fell and had to get stitches. Oh dude. Seventh crin. Oh wait. Seventh crin. Yep, seventh crin. Please tell me I'm not out, because this is really heavy. Time to mix. Dun 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 dun. I need more of the borax water. Next to pink and purple and beautiful. Guys, this is pink. Oh jeez, I almost put my camera in glue. I'm starting to feel the thickness. I would do slime videos without glue, but with those viewers that don't have glue at their house and their mom's not going to let them go to the store, I would be doing videos like that. But I don't know any recipes. This is the only recipe I know. And the easiest one that I know. Yeah, it is pink, guys. Yo, viewers who like pink, shout outs to you. Yeah, viewers that like pink, shout out to you. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna put more. I just want the shaving cream to stick onto it and not immediately fall off and be all weird and foamy and stuff. But that's the point of this slime. Fun fact about slime, guys. If you did not know, putting shaving cream in like slime makes the slime bigger. Wow, you didn't know that, guys. You didn't know that. Well, what mostly helps it make it bigger is the borax in water, because that's what making it all stick is. That's how, you know, guys saw how much glue I had at the beginning. Look at, that's all the shaving cream. That's how it made it so big. The borax in water and the shaving cream. Because when you put the borax in water, it makes it stick. And I accidentally grabbed 2 plates. I'll be doing a giveaway for a free plate. Even with some shaving cream inside, guys. Alright, that's the giveaway. The giveaway with my shaving cream stuff. Wait, what? Did I just say my shaving cream? Time for the hands mixing. Hopefully my dad does not get mad. Whatever. Ew, this sink is green. Ugh, sink is green, guys. It's gross. I'm stupid. I'm just gonna have to stay in here for a while. So, yeah, let's get to mixing. Dun 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 dun. I have to hurry up. So my memory does not run out of time on this video. Dun 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 dun. Guys, I will be adding background music to this so you guys won't be bored out of your mind. Gotta hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. This is like stringy. Then let me put some. Oh, great! I cannot even. You know, I'm just gonna keep forming it or playing it until it all comes together. I should not be doing this in a bathroom because it's not that windy outside anymore. It's like 1,000,000 degrees outside today. But yeah, that's what life's all about. Messing up. Life's all about messing up. I have no idea if that's wet shaving cream or glue. Right next to you guys on the counter. I was about to say on the floor. But you guys ain't on the floor. Alright guys, I can feel it. This is starting to come together. Guys, it's gonna be so perfect and pink. If you guys give me your address, I'll be doing a giveaway. No, I'm kidding. I don't even know how to set any of that up. And I don't even have the. I mean, if my parents let me, I can do a giveaway. But they won't even know what that is. Starting to come together. Guys, I wish you could see this right now, but I don't have any hands to show you guys. The plate looks so purple or pink and stuff. It's perfect. Why am I scooping more shaving cream onto it? That's just gonna make it me have to mold it more. Whatever. Just gonna do it anyway. to wash my hands so I can pause it and like play it after. Oh, if I can turn on the sink. Oh, I got shaving cream on my shirt. Whoa. Oh, I got a bunch of shaving cream on the nozzle of the sink. Oh, I'm stupid. But I'm just gonna do it anyway. Jam it down the drain. My dad is so mad. The door's not even closed. I wish I could show you guys right now. I'm gonna show you guys. Yo, I made a huge mess. Oh my god, I just got the screen wet. Well, it's staying on. It's literally a stain. I don't know how, but it's just stained. Oh shoot, that's glue. It's right under the counter. Oh my god, I got everywhere wet. I do want to jam it down the drain, but I don't. I'm just gonna put it in a tissue and throw it in the trash. Papa. Put that waddle away. Guys, everywhere is wet. The counter. I got that. I'm just gonna keep going on with the video. How much time do I have? Oh shoot! My sister's locking the door. FaceTime. The way! Hey! Oh, you choking? She's tripping. What's the problem? Oh, she has hiccups. Look at, guys, just watch her move. Don't barf at me, don't barf at me. You okay? Okay, want slime? I'm trying to scare her. Whatever, Zoe. I'm gonna go mold it upside. Never mind, I'll be ending the video here. Oops, I accidentally dropped my tablet, aka camera. Look around. So we do the outro.
Alright guys, subscribe to the channel. Peace out.